Embark on a journey of curiosity with us. What fascinating questions are we exploring today?
The popping sound when you crack your knuckles comes from tiny gas bubbles bursting inside the joint fluid. Stretching your fingers increases the space in the joint capsule, lowering pressure and causing gases like nitrogen to form bubbles. When these bubbles collapse or burst, you hear that distinct pop. It's a natural process, not bones or ligaments cracking.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.